Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OUKITEL RT8. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account should be removed, so let's open Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in. And now select an adult, and here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it I have to click Next. And now let's enter my password. Now you have to click I agree. And here click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.